How to log into AOLmail.com. Let's get started. You can easily log into your AOL Mail using the web browser, or also you can download the app. For this video, I will be using the web version. So go ahead and open your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in AOL Mail login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and open this one, AOLmail.com. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. You will need to type in the username, email or mobile number linked with your account. In the case you have forgotten the username, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on next. And in the next page, you will need to type in the password and click on done. And just with that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't created your account yet, you can click on this option, create an account. Well, this way you can easily log into your AOL Mail. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.